Good morning everyone. By the way, ako nga pala si Steve and kagaya din po ako sa inyo, isa din akong networker and I proudly say that I am a member of AIM Global also. And by the side, we have this business, we named it as Vendix. Yung ginagawa po namin sa Vendix is we are providing a personal website exclusive for AIM Global members only. Now, before I will share to you the features of our website, I would like to thank you first for, of course, watching this video and for trusting us to be your website provider. Now, I will share to you or meron akong gustong ipapakita sa inyo on how we usually do our online business or how we do our online marketing using Facebook. Okay? So, yung ginagawa po natin sa Facebook is we are posting ads, nagsishare tayo ng pictures, nagpo-post tayo ng images ng products natin, ng business natin. So, kagaya po itong sister ko, she's a member of AIM Global also, nag-post siya ng ads niya. So, yung purpose of doing this is actually to gain a prospect, okay? To gain a customer, to have a customer, to generate leads. So, yun po yung purpose natin kung bakit natin to ginagawa. Pero minsan, yung ginagawa natin is nagsishare tayo ng post ng iba, especially yung post ng co-distributors natin, especially mga kahit crossline natin, actually sinishare natin yung post nila. So let's just say ako naging interested ako dito sa post niya and gusto ko ring makita to sa timeline ko and makita din ng friends ko. Okay? So yung gagawin ko lang po is simply click the share button. So yung image is pwede ko po siyang i-share dito sa timeline ko. Pwede din siya sa friends timeline. Pwede din sa timeline ng grupo ko. But at this time, let's try it on our own timeline. So pwede ako mag-write anything about our product here. So let's just say avail now. Okay. So just simply click share the photo. So ito po yung usual way na ginagawa natin when we are using Facebook as our online marketing tool. So let's check our timeline kung ano yung next na nangyari. Okay. So as you can see dito sa timeline ko, na-post siya sa timeline ko yung na-share kong photo ng sister ko. So as you can see here dito sa gilid, I have 500 friends. Okay? At lahat po ng friends ko, makikita po nila kung ano yung na-share ko na photo, kung ano yung na-share ko na ads. So, let's just say na merong interested sa friends ko this kind of product. So, yung gagawin lang po ng prospect is of course, he will just click this picture. So, yung next po na mangyayari is yung prospect po is nare-redirect po siya sa original na nag-post nitong ads na to, which is my sister. So makikita po ninyo, actually nilagyan pa nga niya ng contact numbers niya, details about sa kanya. Okay? So kung ako yung prospect, of course, and then naging interesado ako sa product, gusto ko bumili, of course mag-text ako dito sa number na to, yung nakalagay dito, o pwede kong tawagan, or simply magko-comment ako by simply writing a comment here in the comment box. So pwede ako ma-inquire dito, let's just say magkano ba yung food supplement. Ganun lang ka simple. Okay? So don't worry my friends, we have the correct way of how to do this. This is my personal website. Okay? As you can see here, nandito yung name ko. Anything about my personal information, my contact number, my Facebook page. Meron din akong email address na nakalagay dito and my Skype name. So dito sa baba, makikita nyo isang video. This is a short business presentation by Anthony. Actually nilagay ko dyan. Pero actually, you can edit this anytime you want. Pwede nyo lagyan kung ano yung gustong video na i-post nyo. And actually, meron pa tayo a lot of videos here in our pages. As you can see here also, meron tayong Facebook fan page box. So, pwede nyo ilagay dyan yung Facebook page nyo. So, every time na meron kayong visitors here in your website, pwede silang mag-like dito immediately. So, makikita din ninyo, this is our navigation tabs. So, meron tayo dito all about the company, kung ano yung meron sa business natin. Okay? Yung compensation plan, marketing plan is nandito rin. All about our products, nandito rin lahat ng product lines and product list natin. So we have our media news, yung news feed po natin is updated po siya. Then we have a blog page din po. Coming soon pa po yan because as of now, yung previous blog page po namin is in-upgrade po namin and we redesigned it. Let's check first our product lines. So let's try the natural masculine wash. So ito po yung page ng natural masculine wash natin. So, nandito po yung details all about the masculine wash. So, let's just say, gusto ko itong i-promote sa Facebook ko. Okay? So, yung gagawin ko lang po is simply by sharing this picture, by this image. So, we have a share button here. So, yung gagawin nyo lang po is i-click lang po ninyo yung share button. And then, automatically, pwede nyo siyang i-share in your friend's timeline. Magpaalam lang po kayo. Pwede nyo i-share sa groups, certain group. Okay? So, pwede din sa timeline nyo. This time, i-share natin sa timeline natin. So, click share link. Now, after that, check po natin yung timeline ko kung ano yan nangyari. Now, as you can see, na-post po siya, yung masculine wash, na-post po siya dito sa timeline ko. Now, we have a short details about our product. No? So, again, I have my 500 friends. So, lahat po ng friends ko, nakikita po nila kung ano yung na-post ko sa timeline ko. Now, again, meron akong isang friend na interesado sa masculine wash. So, gusto niyang exact details about the masculine wash. Yung gagawin lang po ng prospect is just to simply click this image. Now, makikita po ninyo na every time na if you have interested prospects or interested clients na mag-click po ng image, is they will be redirected to your personal website. Now, again, nandito po lahat ng details about the masculine wash. Okay? Details about your products. Nandito yung introduction about its health benefits and then its content. So, nandito po lahat ng information na pwedeng malaman ng client. Now, let's just say gusto nang bumili ng client or gusto nang bumili ng prospect ng masculine wash mo. So, yung gagawin lang po ng client mo is we have this chat box here dito sa baba. So, yung gagawin lang po ng prospect is i-click lang po niya yung chat box na yan. Now, yung client po natin is hindi po siya makakasend ng inquiries niya kung hindi niya i-fill upan tong mga information box na to. Dapat niyang lagyan yan ng information niya. So, let's just say Edward. Tapos yung email. Yan. So, yung inquiries niya, magkano ba? Okay. Yung good thing lang about this chat box is that lahat ng personal information na nilagay nyo dito is actually makukuha mo siya. Kikita mo yan in a certain page ng website mo. Okay? So, yun yung isang feature ng website natin. But we still have another feature which is our capture page. So, let's try our capture page po. Okay? So, this is still inside your website. So, makikita po ninyo dito, meron po tayong link. So, this is our landing page link. So, ito po yung personal capture page nyo. Para magamit po ninyo ito, all you have to do is just to right click this one, then click copy, and then again, you post it into your timeline. So, click paste. So, automatic lalabas po yung image. Okay? And all about the information about this this capture page. So, pwede mong lagyan ng message dyan to share this to you guys. Try this one. So, click post. So, makikita po ninyo dito sa image, it's not about your business. So, wala pong naka-mention dyan AIM Global, wala pong naka-mention dyan na si 24/7 or any products ng AIM Global. So, yung nakalagay lang po dyan sa image is just on how to earn 10,000 to 20,000 per month. So, this is just a money-making concept, no? So, yung 500 friends ko, makikita nila kung ano yung na-post ko sa timeline ko. Ang magkiklik lang po niyan is yung interested na kumita ng 10 to 20,000 per month. So, yung target mo dito is yung gustong kumita ng pera. So, ganun lang kasimple. Ito yung tinatawag natin na target marketing. So, yung target natin using this capture page is yung mga open-minded person po na gustong kumita ng 10 to 20,000 per month. So, hindi po siya mahirap i-penetrate once na makuha mo kung sino yung interested kumita ng 10 to 20,000 per month. Tama po ba? So, ito yung advantage, okay? So, at least, nalaman mo na kung ano yung need nila, kung ano yung gusto nila, which is pera, which is an extra income of 10 to 20,000 per month. Which is yung pera na yan is kaya i-provide ng AIM Global, kaya i-provide ng business mo. Okay? So, this will be a right opportunity for you. This is a right time for you to help them and to introduce your business. So, ganun lang kasimple. Okay? So, let's just say meron akong friend interested dito sa na-post kong ads. Okay? So, yung gagawin lang po ng prospect is simply click this image. Okay? So, as you can see, yung client po ninyo is na-redirect po siya dito sa main capture page or landing page po ninyo. So, makikita po ninyo, yung page po is very legitimate po siya tingnan. Very neat po siya. So, very professional po siyang tingnan. So, again, wala pong na-mention diyang company, wala pong na-mention website. Okay? So, yung prospect nyo, to have an access, he has to fill these forms first. So, hindi po siya makakagain ng access pag hindi po niya na-fill upan to. So, naka-program na po yan. So, let's just say, Edward Steve Hortaliz. So, type ko lang yung email. Okay, then yung contact number. So, yung next po na gagawin ng prospect nyo is simply, they will click Start Now. Okay. After they will click the Start Now, again, they will be redirected to your personal website. So, again, nandito yung name mo, nandito yung personal information mo, yung contact number, yung Facebook page mo, your email, and your Skype name. So, anytime, and then nandito rin yung chat box mo. So, anytime pwede kayong i-contact ng client or yung prospect. Now, again, dito sa website mo, nandito na yung all about the company. Nandito na rin yung compensation plan or yung marketing plan. Actually, pwede yan tingnan ng naka-visit ng website nyo. Pwede nyo tingnan lahat ng product list. Pwede nyo lahat tingnan yung videos na nandyan sa media, sa newsroom. So, pwede nyo tingnan tong video, i-short business presentation. So, ganito po kaganda yung marketing tool na ginagamit namin or yung service na ino-offer namin sa mga AIM Global business distributors. So, yung kagandahan po ng capture page is nakuha mo yung personal details niya. So, yung personal details po niya is nandito po sa prospect list tab mo. So, ikaw lang po ang may access niyan, ang owner po ng website. Okay? So, let's try clicking it. Now, as you can see dito sa prospect list mo, Okay, nandito yung detail na fill up natin doon sa opt-in form. Okay? So, nandito rin yung contact number. So, naiipon po yan lahat dito. So, pwede mo po silang i-follow up, pwede mo silang tawagan, pwede mo silang i-text. So, pwede mong kopyahin yung email nila. So, let's try this one. Copy. And then, search it here in Facebook. So, ito po siya. Ito po yung isang nag-inquire sa atin. So, pwede mo siyang i-add as friend. Okay? And, pwede mo siyang i-leave ng message and pwede kang makipag-appointment sa kanya through online. So, pwede mo siyang i-message. So, yun po yung isang feature ng website natin. So, as of now, yun lang po muna yung ipapakita ko. Actually, we still have more and we still have a lot of features here in our website and we still have more coming pa po. So, my friends, fellow aimers, ito na po yung bagong trend na ngayon, which is ang online marketing. Since ang generation po natin ngayon is we are in the information age po. Before, we are looking for information. But now, ang information po ang kusang lumalapit sa atin. So, we have to take advantage of this opportunity. We have to take advantage of this generation po. So, all we have to do is just to learn these things, which is very simple lang. Okay? All we have to do is just to do this online marketing correctly. And then, we have to use the right online marketing tools like our personal website. Now, my fellow aimers, if you are interested to avail this online marketing tool or this personal website of yours, or at least if you want to inquire more or to learn more about this personal website, you can simply find us here in Facebook. Just type in the Vendix. Okay? Hanapin nyo lang po ang Vendix. Tapos, you can leave a message here. Pwede nyo kaming i-PM. Okay, so you can leave a message anytime you want. And then, we are available to you anytime. We are just one message away lang po. So, aside from that, don't forget to like our page din po so that you can receive updates about our service that we provide and then about latest news about AIM Global. So, yun lang po yung gusto ko i-share sa inyo, partner. I hope you will grab this opportunity. So, I will guarantee you that this will definitely help you in your online marketing business if you will just do this correctly. Now, again, my friend, thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you for giving me the time. And God bless us all, fellow aimers. God bless our business. And have a pleasant day to all of you.